Developing right now, when it comes to Decision 2020, there is a big legal fight underway over whether or not you should be allowed to vote by mail during this global pandemic.
In the eyes of Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton, the answer is no. But a federal judge says yes, and now the Texas Supreme Court is hearing the matter. Sion Rhodes is live in Southwest Houston with the latest developments now. Sion?
And Lauren, state law has long said that to be able to cast a ballot by mail, you have to be 65 years or older, you have to have a disability or be out of town on election day. But Texas Democrats and several voting rights groups say in this global pandemic, those rules should not apply and that everyone should be able to vote by mail.
The law is pretty clear. It doesn't allow for people to get mail-in ballots for fear of contracting corona or anything else.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton appearing on MSNBC Wednesday, one day after being dealt a blow by a federal judge who ruled people afraid of coronavirus can in fact mail in ballots. Paxton arguing it could lead to voter fraud. But in his ruling, U.S. District Court Judge Fred Beery said the state had cited, quote, little or no evidence of widespread fraud in states where voting by mail is widely used, adding that the court finds the Grim Reaper's scepter of pandemic, disease, and death is far more serious than an unsupported fear of voter fraud.
We think that people shouldn't have to choose between voting or living, that there's a system in place that allows people to vote by mail in order to avoid exposing themselves to this very dangerous and deadly virus.
I think that that's fantastic.
Oh, I do not want to stand in line.
Reaction among Houstonians to the ruling was mixed.
For me, it's kind of 50-50. I'll make that decision as we get a little bit closer.
I think we should all be going to the polling place.
Legal experts say with this latest ruling already being appealed by the state, don't expect a final decision anytime soon.
There's going to be a lot more dust that gets kicked up before it all settles.
And this battle being played out on a federal and state level. Late this afternoon, the state Supreme Court heard a very similar matter about this, and we expect to hear from them a ruling on what they decide very shortly. Reporting live in Southwest Houston, Sion Rhodes, KPRC, Channel 2 News.